We have new information tonight about a Mishawaka man who pleaded guilty to 3 counts of child molestation. A judge sentenced 33-year-old Joseph Anderson Jr. to 60 years in prison. WSBT-22's Caitlin Connon is here, and Caitlin, Anderson told investigators about other victims as part of his plea agreement.
Jennifer, Anderson named 34 additional victims, and that's on top of the 4 that Anderson was facing charges for molesting. This plea agreement will protect those young victims from having to relive the trauma by going to trial.
It's robbed them of their innocence. It's robbed them of kind of their normal developmental schedule and thrown it completely out of whack.
Joseph Anderson Jr. has a history of child molestation. He's been convicted twice before in Lake and Newton counties. The most recent charges in St. Joseph County involve 4 victims.
They're very good at what they do, most of them, and they manipulate and they, for lack of a better word, brainwash these kids, and they make them seem like that the perpetrator is the only person in their world.
During the sentencing hearing today, Anderson could barely speak through his tears. But the judge and deputy prosecutor agree Anderson was more remorseful for his own situation.
He didn't express concern for the people whose trust he violated, the people who he physically violated, that he didn't say, I hope they're doing well, I want them to get better. There was no statement like that.
If Anderson had opted to go to trial, he would have faced more than the 60-year cap allowed by the plea agreement.
We have to balance the interests of the children, the harm that could be done to them by re-victimizing them and putting them through a traumatic trial with someone who, to them, for all intents and purposes, was like a father figure.
Commander Brian Young of the St. Joseph County Special Victims Unit says this is the largest number of victims he's ever been able to identify from a single perpetrator. But most investigators don't get a full list like they did from Anderson. Young says vigilance is key to keeping kids safe.
If a parent isn't paying attention, bad things can happen.
Detectives spent an entire day with Anderson working on that list of all 38 victims. The Department of Child Services was monitoring the interview, and Kozalichki says they were reaching out to those families as the names came out of Anderson's mouth.
So you talk about these families. What's next for all of them?
Well, they'll be offered services like counseling and therapy, and the hope is that they can go on to lead full and healthy lives.
Caitlin, thanks.